Do you enjoy nature and breathtaking viking-like views? What about crystal clear icy waters? If yes, then stay around because you are gonna love it. Today our destination is the largest glacier in continental Europe, which is located in Norway. This massive glacier is visible from Olden. I will share with you our experience, how to reach it, how much it costs, tips and more. So if you decide to go here, you will always know what to expect and how amazing it truly is. Let's go! First things first, these are the views you can expect in the morning in Olden, around October. We felt so happy that our side of the boat was facing the fjords. Now, we didn't book any expensive organized bus adventure. We wanted to have as much freedom as possible to enjoy it alone and cheaper. So we opt for the shuttle, which is essentially a shared taxi. The process is easy. Go to the office, pay your ticket and you're good to go. No advance booking required. The shuttle operates at specific times and we caught the one at 9 a.m. with a cost of 500 NOK per person, approximately like 42 euros or $45, and one payment covered the journey there and coming back. And it can take up to 8 people. It was the best decision, especially considering the expensive pass had a little icy accident. So we arrived. The taxi driver told us that we had 3 hours to enjoy the glacier hike, which in our opinion it was a bit tight as it took us 1.5 hours only to reach the glacier. Maybe because of the so many pretty things to see and admire in the path. It was like stepping into a fairy tale. I kind of expected gnomes and mermaids to pop out of the turquoise water. To immerse you into the real situation with real emotions, the wind, the atmosphere, let me put this with volume. Oh my god, so pretty! Some people take the quad and they reach it faster. Good to mention that the quads are paid, but if you go by walk, it's completely free. We reached the glacier before one group of quads and had a few minutes alone to feel like real Vikings. We even took a sip of glacier water, which later we were told that it's allowed. Phew! It tastes a bit different, a bit stronger I may say, than normal water, because of the purity and the high amount of minerals. In our hike, the weather was a chilly 4 degrees Celsius, which Google tells me that's 40 Fahrenheit, and very windy. It felt even colder than that. So if you're planning to take some pictures, don't forget your gloves to avoid freezing. Also, be prepared for occasional splashes from the waterfall in some spots. That's nature's way to adding a playful touch to the experience. At the start or the end, depending on your perspective, there is a cute souvenir shop. I bought an espresso cup for 80 NOK because coffee tastes better from a Viking cup, right? And 2 bands for 35 NOK each, because we like nothing more than fashion, baby. Oi, I almost forgot to mention that when we were reaching Olden by boat at night, we saw auroras, so you may even see auroras at night in Olden. And until here, our experience to the glacier of Olden. Did you like it? We love it. In fact, it was my favorite stop from the entire ship cruise. If you enjoyed this, let us know with a like and feel free to subscribe to see our next Viking adventure. Until then, stay awesome!